Let's see how to install Zoom on Android. Do not forget please to like, share and subscribe. Tap on Google Play. On the search above, write Zoom. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. You have now installed Zoom on your Android device. The next step is to join a meeting or just sign up for a new account or sign in into your old account. After you have installed Zoom, you can easily join a meeting. If you wish to enter into a meeting, you will need to have the ID of the meeting and also, if needed, a password. Find this info from the host. Now, tap on Join a meeting. Tap the ID of the meeting on the top. Write the ID. After that, you can also select what join option you wish from the list. Now, tap on Join Meeting. If the meeting has a password, it will appear this pop-up. Write the password and tap OK. After this, if the meeting has not started yet, you will get a screen like this. Please wait until the host starts the meeting. You cannot do anything for now. If the meeting is starting and you are the first time on Zoom, it will ask you to agree to the terms of service. Tap I agree. Now Zoom will ask you some permissions. Tap Got it. Now tap Allow to all permissions. Now you join on a meeting. You can start audio and video by pressing the buttons from the bottom. Tap on Join Audio to join with audio on the meeting. Also, tap on Start Video to see yourself in the meeting. You have now fully joined the meeting. To create an account, you need to do the following. Tap on Sign Up link from the bottom. Here, write the email on the first input. Then write the first name and the last name. Check that you agree to the terms of service from Zoom. Now, tap on Next. You will receive an email to verify your account. Just check your email to continue with the next step. I will go to the Gmail app on the phone. Here we have the email that we received from Zoom. Tap on it. Now, tap on Activate Account. On this page, just create the password for the new account. Just write the password and after that confirm the password. I will skip this part for you not to see my password. Now, tap on Continue. Here, let's skip this step. I do not wish for now to invite anyone. Your new account is ready. Let's get back to the app so we can log in. Tap on Sign In. Here, write your email and password and hit Sign In. You can enable fingerprint ID if your phone has this. I will tap OK. Your new account is ready to be used on Zoom. If you wish to create a new meeting on Zoom, just follow these steps. Tap on the New Meeting button from the top. Here, you can set up the meeting to be with video or not. For the ID, you can use your personal ID or just generate a new one. If you leave this option unchecked, then every time you will get a different ID for your meeting. Now, tap on the Start a Meeting. Now you have started the meeting. You can invite others by pressing on Participants and the button Invite. Also, you can tap on the three dots from the bottom and select Meeting Settings to make any adjustments to the meeting. Now, tap on the back arrow. This is your new meeting that you can invite others to join. To schedule a meeting, just tap Schedule button from the top. Here, you can give a name for your meeting. Now, select a date. You can also select a start time for the meeting and an end time. You can make so this meeting will repeat depending on your needs. Also, you can set up an end date for the repeats. If you will enable Use Personal ID for the meeting, ID will be the same as your account. Also, you can set up a password if you wish here. You can disable also the password for the meeting if you want. After that, you can set up that the video for the host to be on and also the video for the participants. After you have selected all of the options you wish to, just tap Done from the top. You can allow here Zoom to access the calendar and add this meeting to your calendar. After this, you can add also invites to the persons by email. So let's just send an invite. The schedule meeting is ready. Now, when the time for the meeting is ready, just tap on Meetings from the bottom. Here, just tap on Start on your schedule meeting and the meeting will start. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.